Hello everyone, welcome to CabEdge Solutions. This is a web app developed to recommend the zone the taxi drivers should drive to after dropping off a passenger in New York City to receive the fastest next booking depending on the time or day of the week or depending on if it is holidays, on weather conditions, wind speed, etc. etc. So this reduces the waiting time between bookings for the drivers and increases earning potential for both the driver and the company. Well, there is an interactive map for both pickup and drop off to give you a better idea about how the different areas in New York City looks like. The radius of each one of this circle that you see is directly proportional to the number of pickups for that area for this map. As you can see, if you hover your mouse over these circles, you see the number of pickups, which gives you a rough idea about how busy that area is. Well, this entire project has been developed end to end in Python on Google Cloud Platform. At the same time, there has been a lot of web scraping that has happened to get a lot of data from Google Maps, Norma team, and weather data from darksky.net. At the same time, the Heroku Postgres SQL has been deployed on the cloud server, and I also have used FP Profit for time series forecasting. So, without wasting any more time, let us see how this web app functions. Demo time, guys. So first button that you have to click is the recommend the best zone button. Once you have clicked it, you'll have to select recommend the best zone based on the current time in New York. New York City has got 6 suburbs, so you have to select the suburb that you're interested in. The moment you click the suburb, it lists down that number of areas which falls under that suburb, and what you have to click the zone or the area that you are currently in. Once you have done it, bingo, you have to click the recommend the best zone and the algorithm starts to work. The first thing that it does is it gets the current temperature, the time of New York, the temperature, and the overall weather conditions of New York City. At the same time, it gives you the GPS location of the area that you are currently in. It checks the closest 6 zones of the zone that you're currently in and tries to find out if that is a zone which zone you should drive to. Okay, all right. So the web app has done its recommendation and it asks you to drive to Manhattan Battery Park. The entire technical analysis is present if you scroll down, which will give you an idea about how it is working. The next section that we'll deal with is the exploratory data analysis. This also has a button which shows the exploratory data analysis of any of the areas that you are currently interested in. The same way, you have to select the suburb and the current area that you are located, and it gives you the entire 2018 trip statistics for that area, which gives a driver about roughly an idea about how that area has performed in terms of number of pickups and drop-offs. Well, not just that, but it also has interactive bar charts, which gives the driver an idea of the hourly, weekly, or monthly trend that this particular area has behaved in the past. This gives an idea if he should stay in the area or should drive off to a better area. Now, other than that, it also shows the suburbs which was the busiest in 2018, the months in which the suburbs were the busiest, the hours which most likely a driver should drive. If you're more interested in the app or if you're interested to know more about me, please do leave me a message on my LinkedIn profile and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching.